Now let's see how we can fetch data using Eloquent. So let's go to our controller and create a new function with the name of getData. Then in here I will create a variable and assign it to my model. To get all the data, you just have to type all function, then return $sign my variable. Now let's create a route for that. Get brands, my brand controller colon class, and my method name. Okay, done. Now let's go to the browser, enter. Okay, as you guys can see in here, I have fetch all the records from the database, even all those records that we added and which were inside my table previously. But if you want to fetch only a single record based on the ID, you can do that also. For example, let's say we are going to fetch this record, the record with the ID of 26. So for that, instead of typing all, let's comment this out, brand, we can type find and we will pass the ID. So the ID was 26. So let's type here 26. Now let's go back to the browser, press enter. Now I only got that record with the ID of 26. Now let's see what happens if Laravel does not find that record. So in here I am going to type this ID which is not inside my database, and if I click refresh, I don't get anything. I don't get any message, anything that the Laravel did not found that record. So to get an error message, we can call find or fail function. Now if we refresh the page, we will get this 404 message from the Laravel that this record does not exist. So let's comment this out. Now let's see how we can fetch the first record. So let's type our variable, then our model. To get the first record, we will just type first. This will return the first record that finds. So if I refresh now, as you guys can see, I get the first record which is inside my table with the ID of 1. The same record I get it inside my browser. And if you don't want to get the first record, you want to get the latest record, you can do that also by just typing items is equal to brand colon latest and get. This will get the latest record which is added inside your database. So now if I refresh, now it will show me all the latest records inside my database. So instead of get, if I change this to first, I will get on the latest record inside my database, which is this record with the ID of 25. If I go and refresh, scroll down, this is the latest record actually, because this is the sorry, this is the latest record because it have a time stamp. It does not, this record does not have time stamp, so Laravel thinks this one is the latest record. If you want to return only a single column or select specific columns, we can do that also. So in here, before the first function, we can type select, then we can pass our column name. So in the columns that we want to fetch, for example, I want to fetch the ID and the name only. Now if I go to the browser, refresh, it will just show me the ID and name. And if you type here star instead of the column names, it will bring all the columns for you. And if you want all the columns, then no need to write the select stars and refresh. Still you will get all the columns. So these are the ways that you can fetch a record or records from your database.